Hello and welcome to this guided meditation to clear your mind and for deep relaxation. Feel free to settle into a comfortable position. Take a moment and thank yourself for showing up. Showing up for yourself, your mind, and your well-being. Let us begin by simply using this opportunity to check in with ourselves. Check in with how you're feeling right now in this moment. Give yourself permission to let go into the present moment. If you haven't done so already, softly close your eyes. Let the heaviness release and take a deep breath in through your nose. Let all your awareness enter in on your breath. Notice how your breath feels as it enters and exits your body. Become curious about your breath, noticing what muscles you engage when you breathe. Thinking about all the behind-the-scenes things that occur for you without you even having to think about it. Your breath is always serving you, always working on your behalf. And so you tune into it now, watching it, observing it gently. Use your imagination to visualize as it flows in and out. On your next inhale, become more intentional with your breath. Letting your stomach expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Within each breath, pause between the ins and outs. See if you can notice a sense of complete stillness in this pause. Letting all your awareness rest right here on your breath. Throughout the course of this meditation, if you find your mind wandering, that's perfectly okay. One of the greatest ways to clear your mind is to focus on your breath. Letting your thoughts come and go without getting attached to them. If a thought emerges, simply let it arise and return all of your awareness to the way your breath feels and flows. Breathing in love and positive energy. Breathing out any stress or negativity. Allowing yourself to slip into a deep and restorative feeling of relaxation. Continually returning all your awareness to your breath. Any thought that might pop up is okay. There's nothing wrong if thoughts come and go. You simply make the choice not to pursue them, not to become hung up on them. You allow them to just drift off. Because you are focused on your breath, the longer you sit in stillness, while continuously returning your awareness to your breath, the clearer and clearer your mind becomes. There is nothing more you need to do. Except continually allow your awareness to return back to your breath. You may start to notice your body feeling heavier or lighter. Just allow whatever you experience and continually return your awareness to your breath. And the more clear your mind becomes, give yourself permission to be still, to soften, to surrender to the present moment. Relax your face, relax your shoulders, let it go. Feel the shift. If any thoughts arise, that's fine. Just return your focus to your breathing. That is your only job for the next several minutes. And over time, you will feel your mind clear. Let yourself continue this process for as long as you'd like. And when you are ready to come out, gently move your fingers and toes, saying thank you in your mind or out aloud for this peace that you have generated. And as it feels right to you, taking all the time you need, gently open your eyes and make sure you allow yourself to stay calm and still for just a little longer as you reintegrate into the space that you hold. Remembering that this feeling of peace is always present with you anytime you need it.